Hello Stampers, and thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Sunday video. This is Laura Buechler of Inky Fingers Papercrafting, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Nanaimo, BC. Today I'm going to show you Penguin Playmates, this adorable paper that you can get for free during Celebration. Penguin Playmates is a set of 12 by 12 inch designer series paper with 12 sheets, 2 each of 6 double-sided designs. These designs are so fun with all these charming, playful animals. And it also coordinates with the sweet Penguin Place bundle, and some of the images can be punched out with the punch. You can get this paper free with your $60 purchase until September 30th. The card we're making today isn't about the bundle so much. We're going to let the paper take center stage. Now the measurements for this card are a card base of 5.5 by 8.5 inches, a piece of white cardstock that's 4 by 5.25 inches, a piece of designer series paper that's 3 3/4 by 5 inches, and then I've got some additional scraps of designer series paper and some additional pieces of colored cardstock. I'm going to use my layering circles dies to cut out 3 circles from coordinating cardstock and 3 slightly smaller circles from the designer series paper. Using this little piece of designer series paper, I'm going to punch out the penguin, and then I'm going to fussy cut the fox and the polar bear. Now, I love the fun little pose that this polar bear is in, but it's way too wide for the card design I'm using, so I'm actually going to trim these legs off. It ends up looking like the bear's legs are just tucked behind. My last step is to stamp a sentiment on a scrap of white cardstock. And now I'm ready to assemble my card. And finally, we need some embellishments. And there's my finished card. Remember that you'll get a chance to win this card when you share the video. Leave a comment below to let me know that you've shared, and maybe I'll be sending you this card in the mail. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please drop me a comment below and let me know what you think. If there's something specific that you'd like to learn about, just ask. Remember that you can purchase all the products shown on my website, inkyfingers.ca, where you will also find more project tutorials, current promotional details and catalogs, and the sign up for my monthly email newsletter. And good news, in-person classes are back this month. You can sign up for virtual and in-person events via my website. If you do place an order, please use the current Hostess Code, which you can find on my website, because everyone who uses that code will get a free gift from me. If you'd like to earn your own Hostess rewards, all you need to do is place an order of over $200 or contact me and we'll start planning your own online party. Drop me a line for more details. If you're watching this on YouTube, I invite you to join me on my Facebook page, Inky Fingers Papercrafting. There are fun, creative challenges and other opportunities to win cards from me every week. Have a great day, everyone, and happy stampin'! Bye!